Introducing. Come on. This is your big introduction. Ethan! Say something.
Look at my apple.
Say hi, my name is.
My name is
Tell them your name.
Diesel.
Your name is not Diesel. You're not a train buddy.
Yes, I am.
No,
I'm Thomas too.
You're Thomas too. You can't be two trains. You could be like yourself. That's a cool thing.
Wait, no. It would be like James. It would be James.
Ethan, how old are you?
I'm G. What are you?
I'm 18. Yeah?
What is Mommy?
Alright, I'm gonna ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. What makes you happy?
Thomas!
Thomas makes you happy?
Mm-hmm.
What makes you laugh? I didn't say laugh. What makes you laugh?
How many you?
What's your favorite thing to do?
Thomas!
Okay. What is your favorite food?
Chicken.
That's your favorite food? Chicken's your favorite food?
Yeah.
What did you do today?
I play with my toys. I play with my toys. And I put the bat in my shirt and then home.
You did?
Yeah.
Did you have a fun day?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's cool. What's your favorite song?
Sing.
Sing your favorite song.
Eat your apple first. Alright, what's your favorite song? There's two, there's four, there's six, there's eight. Running up and having great. Red and green and brown and blue. They're a very useful crew. Alright, that's all I got for you. Where's your favorite place to go?
I the boat.
Where's your favorite place to go?
I the boat.
Where's that?
It's over there. It's over there, Asibara.
Wait, say.
What's the name of it?
Wait, what? Where's your favorite place to go?
Over there.
You gotta tell the camera. Tell them. Where's your favorite place to go?
Over there.
What is over there called?
Fit soccer ball.
The living room. The living room, that's your favorite place to go where the TV is? Okay. How old is your mommy?
No.
You don't know? How old is Auntie Ivona?
Yes. I know. It's 14.
What?
It's 14.
How old is Nani?
No.
Guess how old Nani is.
I don't know.
You don't want to guess either? Alright, what makes you sad?
You.
I make you happy. Alright,
No.
Who's your favorite? Me or Auntie Lana?
You.
Told you. Okay, what's your favorite animal? What's that? A lion?
Yeah.
It's a lion. What's your favorite thing to do outside?
I play soccer like this.
Play soccer? Okay, well you can't kick that. Okay.
Okay.
Nani would be upset. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a baby.
You want to be a baby when you grow up?
Yeah.
Why?
I want to be older. I want to be a baby.
What's your favorite day of the week?
You.
How old is Jaden?
Him.
How old is Jaden?
I don't know. I don't know.
What's your favorite toy?
The tennis.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue.
Mhm.
Blue. Blue.
Oh.
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 Oh. I'm not. Stop. Stop. Seriously. Okay, look. I'm gonna ask you one more question. No, a couple more questions. What's your favorite game?
I said a boy. A fat boy. No.
Bye, Ethan. Thanks for coming to the interview. You can leave now because you're being rude. That's all.